Welcome to the ACCA SBL September 25 exam. In this section, I will be going through the key highlights from the Preseen, in particular focusing on the single source packaging problem and how it could be examined in the SBL exam. Just a kind reminder that all of our Preseen lectures are fully updated into 8 sections, 4 hours in total. Not only for that, you also get the 134 pages of the Preseen application notes fully adapted to the September 25 MC company. As we can see there, not only I go through the Preseen, but also refer to the majority of the syllabus areas to make sure that you're happy, okay, with your upcoming sitting exam, as we can see there. Now, let's get started. Firstly, from the Preseen, as we can see, page number 9, that we can see the packaging paragraph that currently we're only using one supplier. Now, there might be a key risk that we need to be ready for that, because we will get all the packaging, all the boxes packs for ICs and outer boxes from one local supplier. What if that supplier fails? Or even the contamination problem takes place? So as we can see there from the risk report or risk register from the Preseen material, if I were to show you that on page number 10, that from the legal and regulatory point of view, that we will be subject to rigorous external checks by the body. So if that's the case, then that will be a key risk that we need to face. A possible exam question may be asking you to use TARA framework to deal with the single source packaging problem. Now, how could you answer this question? Can you say that, well, I think the risk is okay because blah blah blah? No. As I said in the previous section, I always tell my students the step 1 will always be to get the model right, or to get the framework of your answer right. You're asked about TARA, you will need to use TARA. This means that I will need to see in your answer, there will be 3 points, 1, 2 and 3 under each of your subheading. So in this particular case, as we can see, that I would say I would like to avoid that risk, because I think the likelihood of something taking place is quite high. If that happens, the impact will be quite severe, and that's why I will come up with a proposal or strategy to avoid that risk. But how can you say that? Well, I would say that firstly, materials are quite special, okay? Because we need to make sure that we keep it healthy, convenient, and differentiate ourselves from others, from other competitors. Now, if that supplier has a problem, is it very likely that may happen? Yes, because we are relying on that supplier only. Now, if that takes place, and of course, that during busy period, especially, that will take place, and that's why it's very likely to happen, and we will lack these special materials. As you can see in my answer, I'm not sure if you noticed that, I would use the conjunction word, it's likely that. Because that would demonstrate my insights, that would demonstrate my argument. and I highly recommend you to use this approach. Okay, now let's talk about the impact. If a supplier got a problem and we cannot find an alternative as quickly as possible now, run out of boxes and upset our customers. As we can see that I use the conjunction words, it means that. This means that I further explain what do I mean by this. Okay, 2 marks though. How about the final one? I will need to put that into correct category. In this case, I will need to avoid that risk. How can I do it? Simply, I will find a backup supplier in another location, perhaps. But can you get that mark by using, let's say, I will find a backup supplier, I will find another supplier? Well, probably the answer is no. It's not well explained. So here, I will say that I will add different things in there. So for example, in different location. But what do you think? Before you choose Global APC to study at ACCA SBL, what do you think? Yes, if I were you, I would like to test it. To test the materials whether or not it's correct, whether or not it's effective by watching the demo lectures and the past lectures and to see the areas that the Global APC tipped in the past whether or not they were correct. If I were you, I would certainly test that. I'm sure that you will think one step further for the company, for the MC for the MC company, wouldn't you? So this is why the one step further in your answer will always be very, very important mindset. You are taking care of the company and you deserve a pass in this paper. I hope this approach helps and I look forward to exam success very soon then.
APC, accounting for your future.